The Aston Martin DB11 is a timeless masterpiece, handcrafted in England using the finest materials and most modern engineering techniques. It is a car that is both elegant and powerful, and it is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Exterior: the DB11's exterior design is characterized by its long, flowing lines and its wide stance. It is a car that looks as if it is in motion even when it is standing still. The front of the car is dominated by the Aston Martin grille, which is flanked by two large air intakes. The headlights are sleek and modern, and they give the car a menacing look. Interior: the interior of the DB11 is just as impressive as the exterior. It is crafted from the finest materials, such as leather, wood, and aluminum. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and they provide a perfect view of the road ahead. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, and it houses a number of modern features, such as a touchscreen infotainment system and a digital instrument cluster. Performance: the DB11 is powered by a choice of two engines, a 4.0-liter V8 or a 5.2-liter V12. Both engines are capable of producing impressive levels of power and torque, and they allow the DB11 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. The DB11 also handles exceptionally well, thanks to its sophisticated suspension system and its powerful brakes. The Aston Martin DB11 is a truly special car. It is a masterpiece of design, engineering, and performance. If you are looking for a car that will make a statement and provide you with years of enjoyment, the DB11 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching.